Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and confirming the device supports vibration. That ensures your work matters. Once done, request the vibrate permission in your manifest and at runtime so the system grants control. Then, pick the API. Use Vibrator Manager on Android 12 and newer for multiple actuators, or the legacy vibrator for older releases. This first step sets up low-level access to actuators, which is crucial for precise timing and amplitude control moving forward. Now you design the tactile language. Craft short pulses for confirmations and longer shapes for errors or alerts so users can feel differences. Use vibration effect. Create one shot for single hits and create waveform when timing and amplitude sequences matter. That provides rhythm and nuance. Make amplitude values proportional to perceived intensity. Test several levels. Once done, tie patterns to specific UI events and avoid overuse so the effect remains meaningful rather than annoying. Finish by optimizing and testing. Query system haptic intensity and accessibility toggles and adapt so you never override user choice. Once performance tests show acceptable battery and thermal cost, reduce amplitude or shorten patterns for constrained devices. Make sure to include graceful fallback logic when his vibrator is false. If things go wrong, verify permission, check API levels, and test on physical hardware rather than emulators. Most issues stem from missing permission, wrong API usage, or device-specific actuator limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.